To be attractive and desirable is not just the prerogative of women. Men equally hold the right to be as presentable and to be at their best body. I'm sure all men out there agree with me on this, right? Hi, I'm Dr. Priya Bansal, and if you have been watching my videos, by now you know I'm a board certified cosmetic and plastic surgeon practicing with the leading medical facilities of India for over a decade. I have performed several plastic and cosmetic surgeries, out of which a large number of surgeries were for men to make them look better, feel better, and lead a successful personal and professional life. Yes, surgeries most definitely make men better mentally, physically, and more confident about themselves. Today, I'm talking about two prominent surgeries that have helped men achieve their physical goals without having to go through rigorous workouts and stringent diet regimes. These surgeries are particularly beneficial for men who are in professions that demand better physique and looks, but they cannot put the energy and effort to gain those looks over a prolonged time. Cosmetic surgery is the definite answer. So, coming to the point, first surgery that makes men really attractive is six-pack ab surgery. Also known as high-def liposuction, six-pack ab surgery has gained popularity for giving many men the body they desire. I have performed this procedure several times and given my patients natural-looking six-pack abs for the rest of their lives. Now, I perform this surgery using technologies like MicroAire, VASER, and Body Tight. The stubborn layer of subcutaneous fat accumulated on the abdomen, it is suctioned out through small holes in invisible areas of your body to give you a lean look. Now, your natural abdominal muscles have some mounds and dips. So when we create a six-pack ab surgery, the subcutaneous fat is suctioned out in such a way that these mounds and dips, they are exaggerated and they are more enhanced. This is achieved by doing more superficial liposuction in the areas where dips are desired and leaving behind a small layer of fat in the areas where mound is desired. Now, sometimes in the areas where a mound is desired, we may also have to inject some fat. So how is this done? Your body's own suctioned fat, it is treated and infused back in the areas where a mound is required. The procedure starts with first marking out your natural ab line, marking out your natural rectus muscles insertions. In these areas, a little more superficial liposuction is done. And in the other areas where we desire a mound, we put in a little bit of fat to make them stand out more. And this has to be just a little fat and not too much, not to make them unnatural. Just enough for that perfect contour you want. So this in entirety, it achieves a washboard ab look. It enhances the final result. It is also perfectly safe since the fat that we put back is from your body itself. And there's no reason for the body to reject it. And voila, you get those precise and strikingly beautiful all-natural abs. Now, next surgery that makes men attractive is gynecomastia surgery. So what is gynecomastia? A considerable percentage of the male population around the world suffer from intense embarrassment regarding their overdeveloped chest, which is usually due to hormonal imbalances. This is called gynecomastia. The chest fat and glands, they get enlarged and they form a breast-like structure at the men's chest. And that is why gynecomastia is also commonly known as man boobs. No matter how many chest exercises men do, these man boobs, they refuse to budge simply because it is not just fat, It is glandular enlargement which can only be removed surgically. So I begin my gynecomastia procedure with fine 3 to 4 millimeter incisions on the side of the chest. Now this I do specially to avoid any incisions on the front of the chest so that there is no visible scarring on the front of your chest and no stigma associated with the surgery. Therefore, it does not feel like the man boobs has been replaced with evident scarring, causing more mental trauma. I use again both MicroAire and VASER to break and remove the glands. Now the cannula of MicroAire, it uses rapid back and forth motions to break up the gland and the excess tissue. The surrounding fat is simultaneously emulsified and all of this is then suctioned out from this small hole. The importance of VASER lies in heating up the fat from inside, and this cuts down the amount of recovery time because the trauma to the tissue is less. The rings around the cannula of VASER, it releases ultrasound waves which heats the skin from inside, and this remodels the collagen, causing the skin to tighten, contraction of the skin giving a more toned appearance. So these two surgeries which I have performed time and again have made my male patients come back to me with several thank you notes. Patients with man boobs are often embarrassed and conscious to wear t-shirts or go shirtless in swimming pools and beaches, and gynecomastia surgery helps them regain their confidence. They have been leading good lives and attaining success in professional fields, and this makes me extremely happy. So this is how you can achieve washboard abs look along with that perfect manly looking chest. All this in just a matter of few hours of surgery. Isn't that brilliant? In my next video, I will talk about the benefits and recovery of these surgeries. So stay tuned and do read the related blogs on my website. They are too interesting to miss. Find the link in the description below. I am waiting to hear from all my male aspirants out there. I will see you soon with more on plastic and cosmetic surgeries. Until then, take care and live better every day.